So what we're going to talk about today is this piece of plastic that comes in a sustainer. It's actually a consumable, and people don't actually know what this is. Well, I'm going to show you what this is for today. You're going to notice on the piece of plastic that there's little V's put into the plastic, and on here there's a little protrusion of the V's here. These are V grooves. Okay, but let's see how a jigsaw cuts without this. First of all, I have installed here a Festool Trion blade, FSG, the most aggressive blade we have. It's a little bit thicker than most, and also I have it set in the most aggressive of cuts. Here's the quality of cut you're going to get without the zero clearance splinter guard. What I'm going to do now is take that, you'll see the little V grooves, I'm going to match them with the little V's here, and I'm going to push it till it sets right in front of the blade. I'm going to put the plug-it cord on. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a curve in there. I'm going to cut it. And as you see, when I turn it on, you can see now that there's a perfect zero clearance on that splinter guard. This is the quality of cut you're going to get now. You can see right there. Look at the difference between the two. Amazing. That's what that little piece of plastic is for, and you can buy them in packs of 5 and 20 for a replacement when you're unsatisfied with the quality of cut.